Okay, so now we are going to start with the step 1, which is data ingestion in Langchain. So for this one, we have a documentation as well available. I'm gonna share the link of this one in the description that you can check later. Okay, so now let's begin. Let's first create a folder. Say the data ingestion. And under that folder we are going to create a file. Maybe the same name, data ingestion .ipynb file. We are going to create the text loader. Before that, you go ahead and install the Langchain community either from the requirements.txt file or from pip install Langchain community in the terminal. So first, let's import the text loader from Langchain community. And then import text loader. And then now let's create a variable. And inside that variable, let's initialize the text loader. In the brackets here, let's give the file path. So we have a text file here, aifuture.txt. So this is some random text that I have copied from the internet. And if you want to load this document, then let's just simply type in aifuture.txt. Put this in single quotes or double quotes. And now let's run this. Okay, it has executed successfully. Now we can load this thing by typing in this command. So it says here it has been loaded, so this is a page content. So what happens is when you load, it converts everything here, the content in the txt file, into the documents. Now let's load the PDF. Let's see how we can do that. So before we begin this thing, on the terminal, let's install pip install pypdf. So once you have done that, you're basically going to repeat the same step from Langchain community. Document loader, import pypdf loader, and then let's create another variable, and in that let's initialize pypdf loader. And for this one I have created a PDF file already. So under the data ingestion folder, you can insert your PDF file. Okay, so now let's give the name for this one, nano.pdf. And just put that into quotes. So I'm going to put that in the double quotes, and now let's run the cell. So after this has executed successfully, we can do the loaded2.load, and it's basically gonna load the content of the PDF file. So yeah, that's pretty much successful. So it's gonna convert the contents of this PDF file into the document. So that's how you can load the PDF loader. Let's check the data type here. So if we just simply get this into a variable, say top1, now let's check the type of top1. So that serial attributes to the first document. Anyway, we only have one page in our PDF, so it doesn't really matter, and you can see it is of type document here. So we can do it for Wikipedia as well. If we go and check the document for Wikipedia, so first we need to do this pip install, and then we can execute this command right to load the document. Okay, so for this one, I think first we have to do the pip install, so let's do that. So once that is done, now let's copy this command. And then this is the next command. So here instead of 100x100, let's give something like generative. So here it says metadata of the first document. So if I just execute this command. Okay, so we have got the title summary and then the link as well as the source. So you can do it for other file types as well. So go to the document loader. So if you just scroll down here, you have different sort of loaders available for different file types. So yeah, it's quite like comprehensive, and you can do it for like say YouTube audio or YouTube transcripts as well. For some of them you will be needing the API keys.